Hello, alright, welcome to part 2 of this video, Solfa notation. As you can see on the board, it is written note extension and rest. So today we're going to learn how to extend note in Solfa notation and how to apply rest. Okay, looking at the board, we're starting with the note extension. Now we use the hyphen when we want to extend notes. This is what we use. This extend the notes according to the beat you are. If example, if I'm having this is a semi-brief. Now in music, a semi-brief has 4 counts or 4 beats. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And I want to put it in Solfa. Let's assume this is Do. Putting it in Solfa, I have my bar. Remember we talked about this. If you have not watched my part 1, go back and watch part 1. So I'm having a 4. I'm having 4 beats here. And then if I'm assuming this is Do, I'm going to put a Do here. This is Do. Now this is 4, but this is 1 beat because our time signature is 4/4, which means 4 beats per measure. What I'm going to do to indicate that this Do is up to this length is to put an hyphen here, this 1 beat, put another one here, and then put another one here. So while I sing this Do, I sing it all through this place because of this hyphen extend the note. Example, let's Do. That is how to extend notes in Solfa notation. Now, what if you have a mini or 2-beat note and you want to extend it? So for a 2-beat, I will have 4/4, and you want to extend it. This is how you're going to extend it. It's going to be so I'll make this longer. Now, the interpretation of this is like this. Now, this is the interpretation of what I just wrote. Yes, so I'm going to do this again and then we're going to see how it is applied on the staff. So I'm going to clean this. If I have on the staff and then I have 1 sharp here, which indicates that the music is in the key of G major or E minor. Then I have a note here. Let's assume I have a note here. So how do I put this on the staff? Now this is this is in the key of G major. So here you write Do is G major. And then we have 4/4 time key signature. And then I'll start. Now I have, this is G, A, B. Now B is a 3rd degree in the scale of G major. So G is Do, A is Ray, and then B is me. So we are going to put me, and this is 4-bit. So I'm going to put a dot like this, and then put a hyphen, put another hyphen, and put another hyphen. Now this indicates 4-bit. You are singing this me all through till the 4th bit. And then to represent this also, I'm going to put it as, this is Ray, so you're going to put Ray, and then put a dot here, and then put an hyphen, then a bit, then you put do, then the column, then you put another do, then you close your bar. So if I want to sing it, this is going to be mi, re, do, do. Take it again, the same thing here. Mi, re, do, do. Hope this helps. Hope this is easy. How to present this on the staff. Very easy for you to understand. Let's move to the next one, the rest. How do you apply rest on the Solfa notation? So I'm going to delete this so I'll be able to write rest. Now for a rest, all you need to do is to leave the space empty or blank rather. If you have like this, and then I wrote do, re, now just a blank space here. Now this is indicating rest. So when we are singing this, we say do, re, fa, do, re, fa. Now on the staff, this is how it's going to look like on the staff. So if you assume this is G major, this is going to be do, re, and it's a 1-bit rest. So we have a crochet sign and a fa, and then you close your bar. So this is the interpretation of rest. Now it goes according to the number of bits. If you have an 8th note here, you know what to do. If you're using quiver, let's assume we have something like this, and then the rest we want is an 8th note rest. All we need to do is to remember what we did, is to put a dot and then leave it empty, then put your rest here and then continue your beat. So you have your do, and then you have the rest, and then your re, which this and this will be 1 bit, this will be 1 bit, this is 1 bit, this will be 1 bit together, and they give you 4 bit. So the rest is on the 8th note here. On the staff, if I want to write this on the staff, permit me to clean this so that I'll be able to write it on the staff for you. If I want to interpret this on the staff, it's going to be like this. Assuming it is G major, so we have our do as a crochet or a quarter note, and then we are going to have a quiver rest, which is like this, and then we have our re as quiver. Then we have our mi here, and fa. This is the interpretation of this piece that's written here. Thank you for watching. Now don't remember to ask a question in the comment section and tell me what you feel like and how easy it is for you to interpret this to Solfa. If you are struggling with the staff rotation, I also have a video for you. Check my video on staff and then we'll keep growing, and then I'll let you know in that video you understand what it takes for you to understand the staff. Very simple. Tell me what you feel like. Thank you for always coming back. See you in my next video. Thank you.